welcome back to my channel. So today is all about a hair video. I'm using Shea Moisture Curl and Shine range to bring out my curls, and this range contains coconut and hibiscus. So the coconut oil hydrates and protects the hair, while the silk protein smooths the hair for a soft silky feel, and the neem oil controls frizz while adding a brilliant shine. Anyway, not to worry, there will be a blog post down below, so head to my blog to find out more details about these products. But before we get into that video, if you're brand new to my channel, why not join me here? I do videos on Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Sundays, and I'd love to have you here. So like, what are you waiting for? Have you hit the subscribe button? Oh, you have? Okay, let's get into the video. Okay, so I've just washed my hair with the shampoo, and I just did it off camera because obviously it's like really hard to record. But now I'm going to go in with the coconut and hibiscus curl and shine conditioner, and I'm just literally going to just place that all over my hair. And I'm probably just going to leave this on my hair for like half an hour or so. And as you can see, like for me literally just spreading it all over my hair, it's actually just already like making the hair just that much more curlier. It smells absolutely gorgeous. I'm just making sure that I'm like massaging it from root to tip before then putting it in my little top knot, which I always do. And I always just love to put my hair in a top knot when I'm conditioning because it just makes the hair easier. Okay, so I've just finished rinsing out the conditioner. This is my hair in its natural state. So what we're going to do is we are going to take the Jamaican Castor Oil Strength and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. This is to intensely smooth and nourish natural, chemically processed or heat styled hair. And this is made with organic shea butter, and it deeply moisturizes while conditioning the hair and scalp. The Jamaican Black Castor Oil is loaded with reparative omegas that reduce breakage and promotes healthy hair, whilst the peppermint stimulates the scalp for an invigorating experience. So what I'm going to do is apply to the hair and then just brush it out with this detangler brush. What the hell am I talking about? So yeah, I'm just taking some in the palm of my hand and I'm just spreading it all across my hair. The back is a little bit like matted, so not matted but just like not detangled. So I'm just gonna like brush that out the most. I just want to evenly distribute this across my hair, making sure that I'm getting into those hard to reach places. Yes. But I'm really like happy with the growth of my hair, to be honest. Like I've been rocking my natural hair for a while now, so yeah, like I'm really happy with the place that it's at now. Like the length, when I straighten my hair it does get really long now, so I'm quite happy with that, to be honest. And then I'm going to go in with the Curl and Shine Style Milk with silk protein and neem oil. This is thick to curly hair. This is to moisturize and curl define. And Shea Moisture say this is a moisturizing styling cream that detangles, conditions and controls curls while restoring body and shine. Apply has a no rinse moisturizer and styling cream to damp towel dried hair as needed. The coconut oil hydrates and protects the hair while reducing breakage, and the silk protein smooths the hair for a soft silky feel, whilst the neem oil controls frizz or adding a brilliant shine. So I'm just going to add this to my hair and style as desired, just to really bring out those curls and yeah, just to style my hair. Alrighty guys, I have done my makeup and everything, and this is the final look. I've left my hair to air dry naturally. This is what I always do with my curly hair because I just feel like I don't want to add heat or anything to it, so just leave it to air dry naturally. And yeah, I think I look really cute. I'm currently wearing all Ardell eye makeup products. So they had a new eyeshadow palette. I'm using their mascara. One of my favorite makeup influencers, Danny, these are his eyelashes. I'm not really an eyelash girl and I'm really trying at the moment to like branch out with my makeup looks, but I don't know guys, like did I do okay? And it's just a hair video, but I think this makeup look is quite cute, no? But yeah guys, if you like that video, why not give it a thumbs up? If you think anyone can benefit from this video, I'd be happy for you to share that video. Why not share it? As always, you can follow me on my social media platforms. I'll leave the links down below. I'll also leave the links down below of all the products I use, so you can go and get them. But that's all, so I guess I'll see you in another video. And remember to always stay, what? Bougie.